This is matching matrix type question. 3 columns will be there. To save your time, I gave you correct answer. You have to learn how to answer it. For example, this is phenol. Phenol undergo Riemann reaction and it will form salicylaldehyde. Phenolic ring will be there, and here CHO will be there. Now this aniline undergoes Sunderman reaction. First benzene diageneum salt is obtained, and then halogenation of that occur, and then we'll get this halobenzene. It can be chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. Okay, now here CH3CHO, this is having alpha hydrogen, so it will undergo aldol condensation and we'll get 2-but-2-enol. Okay, so 2-but-enol somebody are saying, but but-2-enol is the correct way. Now here this is, what is this? See here, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, OH. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane to all. Butane to all on acid catalyzed dehydration, it will give but-2-ene. Okay, this is butane to all. Please subscribe my channel Veena Dikshit Chemistry, and I will give you more information. This is, I am preparing you for competitive exams. Now here see CH3COH, Cl2 react with acetic alpha hydrogen should be there. So react with acetic acid and Helmholtz-Zielinski reaction it is, and we'll get halo acid, halochloro, halobromo like this. So CH2ClCOH. If we are using Cl2, then we'll get CH2ClCOH. If we are using Br2, then we will get CH2BrCOH. So this will be very useful reaction during the time of conversion. Okay. Now here CH3COCH3 acetone is there and react with I2 plus NaOH. Iodoform reaction is going on. Why? Because there are 3 alpha hydrogens are present. Okay, because ketone they can change ketone. Okay, so you have to search methyl ketone should be there. So it will undergo iodoform reaction and will get definitely iodoform, that is yellow PPT, and the respective acid whatever the reagent we are using, like that we have to search, and 1 carbonless acid salt is obtained. Now here when CH3Cl any alkyl halide react with sodium in dry ether, what's the reaction occurring? And we'll get ethane. In this case we'll get ethane. We can get different product if we'll change the alkyl halide. Please subscribe my channel, like and subscribe. Now I will tell you in Hindi. See, अगर हमने फिनॉल लिया, रिमर्टिमन रिएक्शन होगी तो सैलिसिलएल्डिहाइड मिलेगा. एनिलीन सेनमेयर रिएक्शन से हेलोबेंजीन देगा, क्लोरोब्रोमो बेंजीन, अल्डिहाइड अल्डोल कंडेंसेशन देगा, 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है, सो हमको ब्यूट-2-इनल मिलेगा, अनसेचुरेटेड अल्डिहाइड मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ एसिड कैटालाइज्ड डिहाइड्रेशन से हमको अल्कीन मिलेगा, ब्यूट-2-इन. इसे एसिटिक एसिड से हमें क्लोरोबेंजीन मिलेगा, क्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड मिलेगा, और एसीटोन से हमें आयोडोफॉर्म मिलेगा. रिएक्टेंट्स आर गिवन टू यू, एंड इससे हमको वर्ज रिएक्शन से अल्केन मिलेगा, इथेन. वेरी blessings to you, all the best, and enjoy your